Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If your iPhone is not charging, there could be various reasons from hardware issues to software glitches. So here is a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and fix this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure your charging cable and adapter are in good condition. Test with another Apple certified cable or adapter to rule out faults and avoid using non-certified accessories as they may not work properly. Now, check the charging port on your iPhone for debris or lint. Use a small non metallic tool, example a toothpick or compressed air, to clean the port gently. After that, plug your charger into a different outlet or power source and test with a computer USB port or a wall socket. Now, restart your iPhone. Restarting can resolve minor software issues that may prevent charging. For iPhones with Face ID, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. For iPhones with a home button, press and hold the power button until the slider appears and slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. So that is it. Also, look for the physical damages on your iPhone. Inspect for sign of water damage or hardware faults. Check for overheating as it may prevent charging temporarily. If all else fails, there may be a hardware issue such as a faulty charging port or battery. Simply visit an Apple store or authorized service provider. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.